Hello everyone, and welcome to this tutorial on how to use the TumblingJazz software to upload images to your Tumblr account. To use this functionality, you will use the Post Images menu icon in the menu here. Firstly, you will need to enter or select a path that will contain the images to upload. I have a path of images already here. And then click the Add Directory button. The images contained in the folder will now appear in the Images to Upload control. Now we need to set the metadata for these images. For this tutorial, I will be using the randomized keyword approach, which can be found via the Assign Meta button. If you would like to specify the meta exactly for each image, you will need to use the Load from Descriptions file. Information on this can be found in another tutorial. So we click the Assign Meta button, and here you will see the metadata that will be set and the keywords which we will enter, which will be used to fill out the metadata using a tokenized based system. So I'm just going to enter some random keywords, all based on sport, which are not really to do with the images, but will do for this tutorial. Okay, there we go. As you can see, we are using the keyword token. KW stands for keyword. What this means is one of these keywords at random will be used to replace each keyword. If you want to focus on a particular keyword, you can use the format keyword 1, which would be sports, keyword 2 would be football, so on and so on. If you want to use the file name, you simply use the file name token as such. Now there is some other tokens you can use which are related for the syndication. Syndication is when you will also be posting this image to a WordPress or Blogger blog. But for more information on these tokens, please see the syndication tutorial. The click through, this is when a user will click on your image and they will be sent to a particular URL. This is a good way to funnel users through to your money site where you can monetize them and not come afoul of the Tumblr restrictions. And if you have it set up, you can also use a token if you wish. The URL source is just a link that will specify where this image has come from. You don't have to fill it in, but you can if you want. So after clicking save, we will now see that all our metadata has now been filled in. Okay, quick run through of the other properties you can set. Random pause is an amount to pause after uploading each image if you just want to make it seem a bit more realistic and not have 100 images upload in a few seconds. If you want to spread it out over a particular time period, you can use the time period control here. Click 1 day and all these images will be uploaded randomly throughout the day. 2 days, 1 week, so on and so forth. For this, I'm going to keep it small for the tutorial. Number of threads, if you want to upload images in multiple threads, you would set it here. Maximum size, this is the maximum size image that would be allowed. Leave it as it is and all images will be uploaded as is. Or if you would like to set a maximum size knowing that some of your images are extremely large, you can specify that as such. Any images that are not outside these bounds will be left. Resize for Tumblr. This is used for syndication where the image will be reduced in size to post to Tumblr and then the actual size will be posted to your syndicated blog. It's a great way if you want to include a little description saying click image to view the full size image. You can repeat this action every so hours, so you can repeat it every day, every 24 hours, or every 2 days, if you so wish. Image quality. If you would like to reduce the image quality and post to Tumblr, you can do so. A great way of also adding a description saying, click the image to view full quality. Getting the users off Tumblr onto your money sites is a great way of monetizing your Tumblr and not breaking any Tumblr rules. Queue images. The images uploaded will be added to your Tumblr managed queue and will be added to your blog based on your queue settings. If you are unsure whether this folder contains images you have already uploaded before, you can use the unique uploads only. Just to note, this is a local record, and unique images will only be recorded on this machine. If you are uploading from multiple machines, each machine will keep its own unique uploads, and it is possible that both machines could upload the same image. Load from descriptions file is another way of setting the metadata from file. Please see the other tutorial. Watermark text. If you would like to add a watermark to your image, this is a good way of getting your link onto the image in case it's reblogged and people will see where the image came from originally. You can set the font. Also the color. And there's two types of watermark text at the moment, top bar, bottom bar. This is where a bar is added. Let's grab this so we can use a test. A bar is added to either the top or bottom of the image, and your watermark text is added, as we see here. The other way is having your text in the top, in either of the corners, so top left, top right, bottom left, bottom right. And a quick test again. Pick a different image. There we go. Not very easy to see the green on white, but you get the idea. Not going to worry about an image watermark at the moment. And then all we'll have to do is select an account that we want to upload these images to. So once you check all the information is correct, simply click the Post Images button. The action will be created and added to your processing tab. Here's one I did earlier. And click the Run button. If you double click the item, you'll see a real-time log of the action processing. Okay, we can see that the account is logging in. The image is being uploaded, and it was uploaded successfully. Okay, that's all really there is to it. We can just go to the blog now and see these images uploading. And here we go, here is the image uploaded, the source. If you can see down the bottom left, you can see the click through to my site Sports Football. Here is the description along with the token file name. I think that's a blog link, yep. And there we go, how to upload images to your Tumblr blog. If you have any questions regarding this functionality or any other functionality regarding the TumblingJazz software, please come to the forum at rootjazz.com/forum. Thank you very much.